How to set up a home portable oxygen tank that you just received for yourself or a loved one. So you get this device, you get your portable oxygen tanks, and you get the device to roll around the portable oxygen, and you get your nasal cannula or face mask or whichever device you got with it. So basically, to set this up, it's a couple of easy steps. So you have this device here. You have those two pins that have to connect to this left side, and they have to fit right in there, and that's the top portion. Then you have the right side where it has to screw into the top portion. So basically, you just have to take this device, slide it right on top, link it up together, and make sure it's securely nice. And once you have it there, it's good. And there should be a gap underneath, because that's how you know the thing is secured within the hole. And then you're going to turn this clockwise and make sure it secures nice and tight in there. And as you can see, it's right on top of the hole, and the other ones are secured within the location. Basically, you're going to turn this on, nothing happens. So you have this little device they give you that you put on top, and you turn it counterclockwise to turn it on. As you see, the pressurized goes to green, the tank is full. Now you turn it on, you should get oxygen going. Now you get your nasal cannula or whichever device you have. You're going to connect it to the bottom portion, as you can see. That connects right there. So push it in. Okay. Now you turn it on to the desired ordered oxygen level. And we'll put 2 liters. Highest it can go up to is 8 liters, but that'll use a lot of the oxygen and you would need a different type of mask. So basically, this is the size of the oxygen tank. And when you have your desired level, you can put the nasal cannula inside the patient or yourself. And for this to come off, you basically make sure this is off. On the left side, it says 0. You don't want to just open that on full. You want to turn this off clockwise. Clockwise to turn off, counterclockwise to turn on. So clockwise, it's off. Make sure it's fully secured. So make sure that's 0. And then when you turn it on, just to release all the oxygen out, so it pressurizes to 0. And then now you can unscrew it. Because if you unscrew it when it's full and it's still turned on, you're going to have a lot of oxygen spraying out, and that's not good. So now that your device is turned off, and say it was empty, you want to switch it, you basically take the piece, put on your new oxygen tank, and repeat the process. So yeah, that's how you pretty much set it up. Word advice for oxygen tanks: when you have it, you always want to lay it flat if they're full. Because if they're not laying flat and they're standing up straight and they fall, it can easily pressurize, and pretty much it can just shoot out everywhere, or it can fly around. Because it's happened before from stories I've heard. But you always want to lay oxygen tanks flat, especially if they're not secured. If they're just in the portable oxygen tank like that, that's fine. But if they're just freewheeling on the side, then that's kind of dangerous. But yeah, you have your portable oxygen, you can wheel it around, do what you want with it. But yeah, that's how you set it up. Comment, like.